Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to create Google Classroom, how to invite students, and how to assign classwork. First of all, we will type classroom.google.com. Then we will select our Google account. Here we will see a plus sign at top right side. We will click over here. Here we have two options. Join class. This option is for students when we are going to join our class. And here they will type our class code. And this option is for the students, uh, for the teacher to create class. We will read the instructions, terms, and then check it and continue. Now, here we will write down the name of the class, like computer with Inqilab Patel. Suppose I am creating this class for the students who are going to appear in exam in 2021. So class of section of 2K21. The subject is computer science and room is computer lab. Then I will press create and wait for a while. Now our classroom is ready to use. First of all, we need to distribute this class code to our students so they can join it. They will click on the plus sign which was appearing over here, and then they will select the join class and type this class code. Then suppose we want to assign some tasks to students, we want to share some material with the students, we want to uh, organize a quiz. We will click on the classwork tab, then create, and here it is assignment, it is quiz assignment, it is a question, it is a material. Suppose I want to upload a material over here. This is the chapter number 1, data representation, and I want to share a presentation with the students. Click add button, file, select file from device, and click on the presentation. We can also share YouTube video over here. YouTube, search for the video, like I have uploaded a video. Yeah. Then I will post over here. Watch these carefully. We can also assign quiz to students or assignment, like a worksheet to be solved. We will click class, classwork, quiz, assignment, add assignment, file, select from device. This is a worksheet. Worksheet on data representation. Solve this worksheet. We can set the points of this worksheet like 20, 30, or 40 marks. And we can set a due date, like, and even we can set a time. Then we will assign this worksheet to all students. We can assign a quiz assignment. Here we can, if we have created a quiz assignment, so we can upload over here, or we can create a new or blank assignment. This is the way we can create our classroom, ask student to join the class and assign some classwork to them.